You guys, we got a new mod for the charger, man. Welcome back to a new video. Hope y'all still blessed. I hope y'all still praying, man. I hope y'all having a good day. Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe if you messing with the content. And before I get to anything else, y'all, I just want to let y'all know, guys, not done with you. No matter what you're going through life, no matter if you're going through the lowest of lows, no matter what you're going through, I just want y'all to know he's not done with you. He's not even gonna let you guys mess up the path he has set up for you guys. I just watched the sermon today, and I feel like I just had to share that, express that in the video before I get to anything. But you guys, I got some new paddle shifters from my car. It's from Grid Ready, and I heard that these are pretty good. So it's not gonna be like the shifters I have that's red and it goes on top of it. No, these are gonna be replacing the ones I got now. So let's open it. I'm doing it with one hand. Let's see. Woo. Wait, hold on. Thank you for your purchase. If you're happy with it, let other people know by leaving a review. Yes, sir. Oh, it comes with a little Allen key too. Oh, that's all right. Oh, I can just look at that, and it comes with a pry tool. Dang, I like these. I thought these were gonna have. Oh yeah, okay. So it's like this. You see the minus sign. That one has the plus sign, and it still has that same feel as my original shifters, but these are gonna be bigger. You see the focus Grid Ready on there. Yes, sir. And I like how it comes with a pry tool, which I could use for a lot of other stuff too. And an Allen key that's for your Dodge Charger. First time customer, get a welcome gift that. Okay. You don't see something about that welcome gift, but yeah, it's snowing right now, but hey, we still gonna do it. So next clip, I'm gonna be in the car and I'm gonna show y'all how to take the paddle shifters out. You don't have to take the wheel off or anything like that. So let's do it. See, y'all, I was not lying. It is snowing. It hasn't snowed in a minute, but let's go ahead and do this, man. All right, you guys, look, I got snow on my beard. All right, you guys, this is a weird angle, but right here, first thing first, you gotta take this piece off. All right, y'all, I know you can see me. Okay, then after that, you just pop it in the top, take it off, it just pops right off. These two right here, there's one, then there's two right there. You're just gonna use the Allen key, just unscrew it. This black piece is just gonna pop right off. And then after that, I'll show you how to take the actual shifter off. All right, y'all. Now that we actually got the bracket off, the screws out, gonna lift it up, turn it, and like push it away from the steering wheel and out, because it's inside that little, can't really focus and see it. It's inside a little tab right there. And there you go. And when you put it back, it has to go behind this tab right here. See that clear silicone looking tab? That's where it's gonna go behind, so it's gonna press on it. And yeah, man, that's how the shifter looks. And then this is gonna be the new shifter, so let's put that in. And when you put it in, slide it in behind that silicone looking piece. It's hard with one hand, man. Behind that silicone piece, and you're gonna push it back, push it in, and there you go. Then after that, you're just gonna put the bracket and the little screws back in there, and then the cover, and you'll be good to go. All right, you guys, so I got one installed, and here's how it looks. Here's the difference between the OEM. Imagine you don't even have this red piece on there. Look how short this is. Look how much better that looks. And even with the one I actually put on there a long time ago, I still like the sleek black look. It looks better. And so let me go ahead and get this side done. Look at that. All right, so let me go ahead and get this side done. I'm show y'all what it looks together, how it looks together. All right, you guys, so I got both of them hooked up. Yeah, it's a little different, I ain't gonna lie, but I do like how they look. It's better than better than these, for real, for real. Yeah, it's better than these. Which ones y'all taking? These or that? These are probably like the same size as like the Hellcats, maybe. But I like these. So yeah, you guys already know. Y'all already know we gotta go for a drive with these. I do gotta go into work, but I'll get a little bit of paddle shifter action on the way to work. So yeah, I'm gonna get inside, I'm gonna eat, and get ready for work, and I'll see y'all right now. Dang, how y'all like it? These look way better. Yeah, it flows with the steering wheel better. I like it, I like. Especially when I get like a carbon fiber one. If they have carbon fiber ones of these, I would have bought them, but they don't. So it is what it is. So I guess we could do a little drive, a little POV action. See, as y'all can see, I can't really do too much because it's snowing right now. Snow, rain, snow. But it was snowing. It is snowing. It was like rain, snow, so it is what it is. Don't mind that. Yeah, don't mind that. But yeah, on my way to work. It's a quick little easy mod that you can do. So far I'm liking it. And I will leave a link. I will leave a link to the grid ready paddle shifters in the description. I ended up just getting them off of Amazon. They only like 30 bucks. I think it's worth it. It looks better than OEM. It's bigger, it's bigger, taller, whatever you want to say, than OEM. Yeah, it just looks more sleek than the ones that you just 3M tape on the back. Yes, sir. My own traffic. Should I go? Yeah, see, that was a good idea because there's a car that's coming in that third lane. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna go. That truck's going slow. Yes, sir. Oh, look at this. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. How you doing, sir? What does that mean? It says APR. What does that mean? I don't know about Volkswagens like that. All right, y'all. This is going to be the end of this video. I hope y'all like it. It was kind of like a how-to video, I guess. How to change out your paddle shifters. I think these are worth it. Like I said, they look sleeker. You know, the black, because of the black. Yeah. If they have a carbon fiber option, I probably would have went for that. But I think so far they just have this and the silver option. And I'd say it's about the same height as like the Hellcat paddles. Because like the RT ones, and I know the GTs and all that come with it too. And there's like just these little paddle shifters. I didn't really like it that much. That's why I did the extended paddle shifters. But I like these way better. So like I said, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for y'all to get it. So I hope y'all still staying blessed. Hope y'all still praying. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.